Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing you the benefits of rice water to our hair. According to studies, rice water contains inositol, a carbohydrate that repairs damaged hair. This inositol stays in the hair even after the rice is rinsed off. It also acts as a shield and protect your hair from damage. Rice water also contains amino acids that strengthen the hair roots, increase hair volume, and make your hair shiny and smooth.
Nilagyan ko ng tubig yung rice at binabad ko siya overnight. At kinaumagahan, ito na yung itsura ng binabad nating rice. Kukunin ko lang dito yung tubig at ililipat ko sa empty spray bottle. And because I recently colored my hair, this is what it looks like. So medyo nag-dry yung hair ko. I will start spraying this rice water from the roots of my hair. Tapos massage. Ganito kasi yung napanood ko eh. Ibabad ko muna siya for 30 minutes, tsaka ako babanlawan. Gagamit muna tayo ng shower cap. Ayan. So, pagkatapos ko siya mabanlawan, guys, ito na yung itsura ng buhok ko. Ayan. Basa pa siya. So, papatuyuin ko muna to using electric fan. And voila! Ganito yan yung itsura ng buhok ko, guys. Ayan. Compared before, hindi na siya ganun ka-shiny kasi nga colored hair na ako. So, ito na yung itsura niya. Pero makukuha pa rin to sa treatment. Ayan. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!